In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to emphasize specific text or just add a touch of creativity to your document, using a text box is a great way to do it. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently incorporate this feature into your workflow. First up, we'll start by opening the drawing tool. With your Google Doc open, go ahead and look towards the top menu. You'll want to click on Insert, then hover your mouse over Drawing. You'll see an option labeled New. Click that. This step will open up the drawing interface where you'll be able to get creative and design your text box. Now that we have our workspace set up, let's create the text box. In the drawing pop-up window that has just appeared, look at the toolbar at the top of this window. There, you should spot an icon that looks like a square with a T inside it. That's the text box icon. Go ahead and click on it to activate the text box tool. With the tool selected, it's time to draw your text box. In the drawing area, which is all yours to play with, click and drag your mouse to form a box of your desired size. Don't worry if it's not perfect right off the bat, you can adjust it later. The important thing here is to get the text box on the screen so you can customize it to your liking. Next, let's add our text. Click inside the box you've just created and either type in the text that you want to display or paste it if you've got it copied from somewhere else. There's also an array of formatting tools at the top of the drawing window, allowing you to tweak the font style, size, color, and alignment to ensure everything looks just right. Feel free to explore these options to enhance your text's appearance. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save and finalize your creation. You'll see a blue button labeled Save and Close. Click this to insert your text box right into your Google Doc. The great thing about utilizing Google Docs for this is that your document now seamlessly integrates your customized text box, maintaining a professional appearance. After inserting the text box, you might find that you'd like to move or resize it. Simply click and drag the text box around to position it exactly where you want it within the document. If you need to adjust its size, click and drag any of the corner handles to expand or reduce its dimensions. This added flexibility ensures that your text box always fits the flow of your document. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to insert a text box in Google Docs. Adding a text box can make your documents stand out and clearly highlight the essential details. Thank you for following along, and happy creating!